This is PiinkSparkles and welcome to Jackass.
Stop, that's scaring already. Scaring? Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my big pink box. So the first time I've said that. Okay, anyways. Hey cuties! So today I am going to be doing the mystery drink challenge. Some of you guys have, I don't know why I painted this, Austin and I painted this, the same color of our bedroom. So it's like Barbie pink. So I was like, I have an edge against everyone in this competition. Also, I feel like I have a really good palette. I'm looking at the viewfinder right now because I want to like set it up and make sure it's all good. But low-key, I'm scared. Austin acquired how many drinks?
I think 6 or 7.
And then I have to guess them. So the point score is gonna go like this. If it's 6, okay, let's just say there's 6 drinks. I get a point if I guess what the drink is, and then I get another point if I can guess like the brand or something. I don't know, maybe we'll do something like that. Again, I don't know if there's brand names or anything like that, but I swear I have no idea what these drinks are. But I'm gonna leave, and Austin's gonna fill my pink box and poke holes in it, and then I'll be back with the viewfinder flipped down so I can't see them. Wish me luck, you guys. If there's 6 drinks, I could get a total of 12 points. We know addition. We don't know. Anyways, bye, see you.
Okay. Are you ready?
No, because, okay, by the way, he blindfolded me and I walked over here. It stinks. I have no clue, but I'm just saying it stinks. I don't know what stinks, but it stinks. I think I'm just taking this too seriously. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
I'm gonna pull up a chair because this is gonna be good.
Do I get a barf? But I need like a bowl. I need a spit bowl.
Yeah, I guess.
And a cup of water. I know you guys miss challenges, so I'm like, yeah, I haven't done a challenge in a while, so let's get some new and exciting content. Spit bowl. Glass of water. I'm gonna cleanse my palate. It's not water! Just kidding. Drink. This is drink number 1 here or here?
On the
Start
left.
this way?
On my left, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're on the right one.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Why is that the weirdest thing when you don't know what it is? I thought it tastes stale. It's some kind of juice. It's like pineapple juice. Stale orange juice.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
No, you're wrong. I'm sorry. You're wrong. It's cranberry juice.
Okay.
I thought you'd be able to know that one.
Well, now that you say that, I'm like, okay, yeah.
I got no hope for the rest of them now.
Yeah, but like, I always watch these videos and they infuriate me because I'm like, how wouldn't you know that that's cranberry juice? How are you, girl, when you can't, like when you're not, anyways. It tastes stale though, it's stale. Was it the one that was opened in the cupboard?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
probably,
well, I got the stale one, right?
That's probably why it's stale.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. 0. Okay, next. Coconut water.
Yes. Yeah, you got that one.
That's coconut. Oh, I only did
Yeah,
one.
good job.
Woo! And no, I'm not doing brands because I don't know any brand of Coke. Starts with a V.
No. I mean, close in the alphabet, but no. Starts with a W.
Wokenut water. It's woke. Okay, anyways, skibbity, next one. Okay, these are so good. So far, so good. I thought he was gonna be like horrible. What the fuck is that? What is that? Oh, it's like sour. Oh my god. Oh my god, I want to say like tomato juice, but I feel like it has like an acidic, not acidic, like fishy Clamato juice.
Yes.
Stop!
Yes. Good job.
That's where
You're
the
doing
fishy came.
You're doing pretty good. So what is that? 2?
Lots.
2? Okay, so now it's 3 points for you.
I was like, I like tomato juice, stop, but there's a fish, it's like fishy tomato juice. All right, so the reason why I was being so dramatic and saying how gross it was and how sour tasting it was is because Austin said he found this at the bottom of our pantry opened, and it literally had been opened and expired like a year ago, and when we were dumping it out and cleaning it, there was legit mold at the bottom, so I was literally drinking expired Clamato juice. So yeah, that's why I was like so disgusted and like gagging. Okay, I'm gonna cleanse. This one?
Yep.
Oh, what? Alcohol. Oh my god, I took a big chunk.
Do you want to try it again to make sure?
I I know it. It's vodka and I want to try to guess the brand because I'm the alcoholic. It's the blue label one. The blue label vodka. Like all my eyes are watering. That burns. I don't know what it's called. Provincial vodka.
Okay, well, either way, it's wrong. It's Smirnoff, but you got vodka, so that's good.
Okay.
So you're up to 4 points.
But now I'm drunk. That's so disgusting. Oh my god, I was expecting. Let me go back to the coconut water. God, these are getting horrible now.
This one might be a little more difficult.
What does that mean? It's fizzy. Yum. Cream soda.
No.
Yeah, it is.
It's not.
Yeah,
it's
it is.
not. It's not. And I've never tried this before, like this flavor. It's a Rockstar energy drink.
I hate those. Well, I'm a lie bag because I hate Rockstar. Girl, that tastes like a cream soda. I would drink this every day. Probably don't recommend, but cream soda. That's delicious. I'm gonna start drinking energy drinks.
Well, I'm gonna have to try it after you if it's good.
Is it the pink one then?
I think it's punch, like Rockstar Fruit Punch or something.
But is it the pink can?
It looks reddish.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god, what's going on?
There's something going on outside. What was happening?
Well, the hose your dad gave us blew out. Cooper's face is soaked.
Let's do a shot of vodka.
I'm like, what the f? And I thought, like, did you just leave the hose on and you're watering the plants? I was like,
How does my days like smeared off? Rock? That is a cream soda, besties. Okay, anyways, last one. These aren't that bad. I thought we were gonna be bad. I thought you were gonna give me like, I don't know, hot sauce or something. Watch this be hot sauce.
I'm not that mean.
Last one. What the f is that? What? No. Like the, ooh, no. It burns pickly, but I don't think it's pickle juice. I'm trying to read you. I don't think it's pickle juice. Is it?
No, it's not pickle
Okay,
juice.
then it's banana pepper juice.
No, it's not. Surprised you should know this. Probably better than any other one.
Is it alcohol?
No.
Well, the way you said that. Hold on. It's the same thing. It's white vinegar.
There you go. Finally, I knew you'd get it.
Pickle juice is, the main component is vinegar.
I don't care. That's still not the right answer.
Okay. How many did I get? I lost track.
You got 5. You got 5 out of 12. So you didn't pass, but you did all right.
Well, this is amazing. You need to try it. Here.
I will try.
He doesn't want to be on camera right now. He's shy. He actually just had a root canal. So he probably shouldn't be
And also hot and sweaty, not wearing a shirt. And just ate a couple cheeseburgers, so.
Okay guys, so I think that he was way too nice to me. If you guys want to see a part 2 to this, maybe a disgusting version, or what I want to do is like different waters, because I'm like a water connoisseur. I want to see if I can decipher waters, or would that be boring for you guys? Or would you guys like a part 2 disgusting mystery drink challenge? Let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Which one is the best one? Which one was the worst? The coconut water, this one is, I am so surprised. This one I think is my favorite, and I don't like energy drinks. I especially don't like Rockstar. So that's crazy. I think this one's my favorite. This is disgust on its own, and I love vinegar. Like I always say, I could drink vinegar. Obviously not. So I think the worst one's this one. Okay.
All right.
Cheerio, everyone. I love you guys so much. Bye.
Good job, baby.